this Momentum Talent Search exam that Momentum organize on regional level, where they recognize students who are talented and who has the potential to crack exams like JEE Advanced. And they also provide opportunities such as scholarships and mentorship or such as counseling to prepare for these exams, and that can help those students to get more exposure for the exams like JEE Advanced. So whoever is interested in giving this talent search exam, they will have this opportunity to get an evaluation even before writing their JEE Advanced exam. So that will help know where they are right now, and then how can they prepare for their future.